That's a little red one.
Which
The red one. The one's orange. You know, snoring. Eh?
Yeah. And the other one. Dad, you can eat a camera if you to show it to close. Huh?
They're all cuddled up just to stay nice and warm. There's those ones over there as well, look.
That's a walk over there.
I wonder what he's dreaming about. And just woken up, look. Don't. So a stretch. A yawn. Just like a person. No, here he comes. Come and say hello. He's eating the leaf. Break off one of those leaves.
Piggy. Horsey.
Horsey.
Piggy. Piggy. Piggy.
He's sitting down on the other one.
Piggy. Piggy. Reefy. Reef. Reef. Reefy.
He sat on the other one's head. He's not moving.
Piggy. Reefy.
You went,